Good morning, guys. Greeting from Unloco Technology. In this tutorial, I have explained Java 8 stream interview frequently interview question and answer. So let's begin. First question is that what is a stream in Java 8? A stream is a sequence of objects that helps different methods that can be pipelined to produce the desired outcome. The features of Java stream or stream is not a data structure, rather it takes input from collection like arrays, input output channels. Stream does not change the original data structure. They only provide the result as per the pipeline methods. The next question is Java stream features. A stream is not a data structure. Instead, it takes input from the collection array and input output channels. Stream does not change the original data structure, they only provide the result as per the pipeline method. Each intermediate operation is lazily executed and return a stream as a result. Hence, various intermediate operation can be pipeline. Terminal operation marks the end of the stream and result return the result. Next question is benefits of Java stream. There are some benefits because of which we use stream in Java as mentioned loops. So first of all, no storage pipeline of function, laziness, can be infinite, can be parallelized, can be created from collection, array, files, lines, method, and stream, input stream, and etc. Now next question is what are the intermediate operation in Java 8 stream APIs? Intermediate operation in Java in stream API include filter, map, sorted, distinct, limit, skip. These operations are used to transform or filter the element of a stream. Next question is what is the terminal operation in Java 8 stream API? The terminal operation in Java stream API trigger the processing of element and produce a result. Example term of example of terminal operation include for each, collect, reduce, count, and any match. So we have to discuss one by one. First is map. The map method is used to return a string consists of result of applying the given function to the element of this string. So the syntax is we have to apply the stream and after that we apply the map function and extend the mapper. Now filter method is used to select element as per the predicate pass as an argument. So we have to apply stream and applying the filter and predicates. And next is sorted. The sorted method is used to sort the stream. So we have to use for stream dot normally sort, applying the sort, and after that stream dot we have to comparing the comparator two object using the comparator. And this flat map operation is Java stream is used to flatter of a stream of collections into a single stream of element. Stream we have apply the flat map function. Here in stream we have to extend the mapper. Distincts remove duplicates element. It return a stream consisting of the distinct elements according to object dot equals and the syntax is we have to apply stream dot distinct. And peek performs an action on each element without modifying the stream. It returns a stream consisting of the element of this stream. Additionally, performing the providing a action on each element as element are consumed from the resulting stream. The syntax is we have to apply system.peak. We apply the consumer for the action. This is the example. Now next is the example of Java stream filtering using the filter methods. So we have to creating a array list of the product, and after that here, and after that we are adding the products one by one in a product list object, and we have to applying the stream filter method. This is the for the lambda expression. So product dot get price is less than 30. Sorry, here is the product price is 3000, so we output give the 30,000 output is the Dell laptops, right? And dot fetching the output from the product list for using the for each method. Here the next example of Java stream is convert list into set. So we have to create a product array list using the product list object. We have to adding the product, and after it converting product list into set. So suppose we have to the set of, we have to creating the product list price list, and after that we have to adding the filtering the according to our requirement of the product. Here we have using the map for storing the product and price, and after that we have to collect using the collect the item, and after it is the print the item. The next example of the Java stream for each method is terminal operation. Suppose we have to creating a array list, and we have to adding the one by one value, and after that we have simply using the stream dot string list dot stream, and we have to applying the for each method for one by one. So getting the output if 1 2 3 and 1. Here this is the example of finding the max and min price product price. So we have to also again we have to creating the array list of product, and after that it adding the products here. And now next is max method to find out the max. So we have to creating the product A, which we have to storing the maximum product here, applying the product list dot stream dot max, and it is the predicate for it has applying the two method product 1 and product 2 using the lambda expression. If the get price product 1 is higher is compared to other product 2, then it is find out the product 1 method, sorry product 1 price, product 1 price greater than maximum price, and here we have to print it of the product 1 price. This is the find out the min product price using the min stream applying for the stream. The next question is what is the difference between collection API and stream API? Collection are used to store and group the data in a particular data structure like list, set or map. Stream are used to perform complex data processing operation like filtering, matching, mapping or store data such as array, collection, input output resource. That means collection are mainly about data and stream are mainly about operation on the data. So thanks for this watching, uh, for the given times. Thank you to each and every